Getting some more votes off here. Tanisha getting saying the first one big and average. Tino is saying big and average. Tamara is saying big and average, and Stewie is saying big and average. All right, so that's all. I think that's how we end this part of the show for today. Very obvious that which song is the big song for today's What's the Verdict? We must say second time around that we have, Don G. Yeah, man, this is Don G again. So Don G, the two-time winner of What's the Verdict? The first one he won with entitled Mother's Cry. And now is second time winner inside What's the Verdict? Man called Don G there for you. One entitled In a Jam Down. Yeah man, In a Jam Down. And this one, yeah, you voted this song as the big song inside today's What's the Verdict. Here we go. Don G, In a Jam Down. Wow. Reality song, some might the big song for today. In a jungle.
Night. Yeah. In a year ago last night. Yeah. We couldn't even get a good sleep. Jano. Hey. The music are going with. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Up here, gunshot me ear a echo. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. In a jam down the place on the ground. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Up here, gunshot me ear a echo. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. In a jam down the place on the ground. Never know your time would have come. See the police shoot you down. Can't let me leave the sun. Where am I gonna do you now? Left mommy, I wonder who I go bring in come. With a hand on a jar, said you should have traded the big gun. But that's how it goes. You reap what you sow. That's why you should have known. That's how the story goes. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Up here, gunshot me ear a echo. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. In a jam down the place on the ground. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Up here, gunshot me ear a echo. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. In a jam down the place on the ground. No, we can't let it stay this way. All kids need a place to play. It happen every day. Crime and violence each and everywhere. Even in my community, the people are getting scared. Tell me what is going on. Father God, please come and save me. Cause I feel ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Up here, gunshot me ear a echo. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. In a jam down the place on the ground. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Up here, gunshot me ear a echo. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. In a jam down the place on the ground. Never know your time would have come. See the police shoot you down. Gone left you leave your son. Where am I gonna do you now? Left mommy, I wonder who I go bring in come. With a hand on a jar, said you should have traded the big gun.
Yeah man. This week's big song inside What's the Verdict? One entitled In a Jam Down by the man called Don G. Is his second win inside What's the Verdict? Yeah man, Don G there for you. His second win inside What's the Verdict? One called In a Jam Down. Congrats to the man called Don G. His second win on the program. Alright, 96 on the FM band. And now we'll take before we go to a Sports Spectrum.